Breaking news reaching us this hour: former Labour and Employment Minister, Dr. Chris Ngige, has been sent to prison after being arraigned in court for an alleged 2.2 billion naira fraud. Viewers, this story has been trending across Nigeria and beyond, with many people surprised that a man who once served as a state governor and federal minister is now standing trial for such a serious charge. Please, as you are watching, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can always get real and timely updates as they drop. According to reports from Abuja, Ngige appeared before the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Gorimpa, where he was formally arraigned by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. The anti-corruption agency brought 8 major counts against him, accusing him of using his office to award contracts worth billions to companies connected to his close associates. The EFCC said these transactions were done when he was in charge of certain federal programs under the Ministry of Labour and the Nigeria Social Insurance Trust Fund. After the charges were read, Dr. Ngige pleaded not guilty to every count. However, the judge, Justice Mayom Hossein, ordered that he be remanded in Ngige Correctional Center until his bail hearing comes up. That's right, Dr. Ngige will be spending at least a few days in custody while his lawyers prepare their bail application. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe so you won't miss what happens when the court resumes. Now, let's talk about what these charges mean. The EFCC says the total amount involved is about 2.2 billion naira, linked to contract awards for consultancy, training, and supplies. They claim that Ngige approved or facilitated these deals for companies allegedly linked to people close to him. This includes companies like Sesamo Nigeria Limited, Jeff Andrews Limited, and Old English Consolidated. The EFCC insists that the contracts were inflated and that part of the money was traced back to private accounts. On the other hand, Ngige's lawyers maintain that every transaction followed due process and that he is innocent of all wrongdoing. They argue that the allegations are politically motivated and meant to tarnish his image. Now, my viewers, I want you to think about it. Do you believe this case is just politics or a real step toward accountability? Comment your thoughts below, and please remember to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Let's look at the bigger picture. This case has reignited debates about corruption in Nigeria. Many Nigerians are saying, if someone as high profile as Ngige can be called to court, then maybe justice is slowly becoming real. Others say it is too early to celebrate because many big cases start like this and later fade away. We have seen several former governors, ministers, and senators facing corruption trials, but only a few end with convictions. That's why this case is being closely followed. People want to see if this one will truly go all the way to judgment. Keep liking this video and subscribing. We're here to keep you informed in simple, clear language every day. After the court session, security around the premises was tight. Supporters of the former minister were seen outside, some praying, others expressing shock. A few of them said they still respect Ngige for his contributions as governor of Anambra State and as a minister who played a major role during the minimum wage negotiations. But critics argue that public service must be transparent and that anyone accused of corruption should face the law. The judge has fixed the bail hearing for Monday, and it will be a very important day. If the bail is granted, Ngige will leave Ngige prison temporarily while the case continues. If not, he may remain there while trial proceeds. Viewers, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe right now, because we will bring you what happens in court the moment it's announced. Now let's talk about Ngige prison itself, where Ngige has been sent. Ngige Correctional Center is one of Nigeria's most secure prisons. It has held both high-profile politicians and security suspects in the past. Spending even a few days there is not easy. It's a big shift for anyone who has been used to government convoys and luxury offices. Many Nigerians online are saying this should remind leaders that power does not last forever and that accountability can come unexpectedly. Some say this might send a strong message to others still in office. Again, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Your support helps us reach more people with verified, responsible news. Now, the legal team representing Dr. Ngige has said they will apply for bail on health grounds. They argue that the former minister has some medical conditions that need attention and that he deserves to be granted bail while he prepares his defense. But EFCC prosecutors are expected to counter that, saying the offenses are serious and that releasing him too quickly could affect the case. This legal back and forth will continue in the coming week, and it's going to be closely watched by Nigerians everywhere. As you're watching, please tap the like button and subscribe. Your engagement helps us keep bringing you these updates clearly and in real time. The case has also triggered larger conversations about public office in Nigeria. Many people are saying leaders should learn to separate personal interest from public funds. Over the years, billions have been lost through poor contract supervision and inflated projects. Each time a major figure is charged, Nigerians hope that it signals a real change. Whether that happens or not depends on how the judiciary handles these matters. Many citizens are calling for transparency in trials like this one so that people can follow the evidence, understand the process, and believe in the final judgment. Remember to like this video and subscribe, because soon, when the bail ruling is delivered, we will break it down for you step by step. Let's also consider the emotional and political weight of this story. Chris Ngige has had a long political career. He served as governor of Anambra State from 2003 to 2006, and later as Minister of Labour under former President Muhammadu Buhari. He was well known for his outspoken nature and his role in labour negotiations. So seeing someone like him facing charges of this scale has come as a shock to many of his followers. It shows that public image can change quickly once allegations enter the picture. And for those still in public office, it's a reminder that decisions made while in power can have long-term consequences. Please, take a moment to like this video and subscribe so you can continue to get clear and honest news analysis. Meanwhile, reactions have been pouring in online. On X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, Nigerians are split. Some praise the EFCC for taking on powerful figures, while others are asking why similar action hasn't been taken against other big names. There are also jokes and memes, as always happens when big stories break, but the real issue here is public accountability. Can Nigeria build a system where government positions are used to serve, not enrich? That's the discussion many people are having tonight. Let's keep it civil in the comment section, and yes, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any major updates. Now, if you look at this situation from a legal point of view, it's important to remember that Ngige remains innocent until proven guilty. The law allows him to defend himself, and the EFCC must prove every charge beyond reasonable doubt. So far, his legal team has said they are confident the evidence will clear his name. Whether that's true or not, only time will tell. The first hearing after his arraignment will determine how fast this trial moves. Every Nigerian watching is hoping for a fair process, no bias, no political interference, just justice based on fact. Keep watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you can stay ahead as the story unfolds. And as this trial continues, we should not forget that similar cases have shaped public opinion before. Many of you might remember past corruption cases involving top government officials. Some ended with convictions, others quietly disappeared. That's why this one is attracting so much attention. People are hoping that justice will be consistent and not selective. If the law is applied equally, it builds public trust, and that's something Nigeria needs right now. Again, like this video and subscribe to stay informed. This platform is here to keep things simple, balanced, and true. In closing, Dr. Chris Ngige's arraignment and remand in prison mark another chapter in Nigeria's long fight against corruption. The story is still developing, and every new hearing could bring surprises. For now, he remains in custody, waiting for his bail hearing while the EFCC pushes forward with its evidence. The outcome of this case will tell us a lot about how serious the justice system is in handling corruption cases involving big names. Keep your eyes on this space, we'll continue to update you as events unfold. Please like this video and subscribe right now so you never miss a single detail. Thank you for staying with us. More updates coming soon.